the 2009 Chevrolet Suburban 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, power front seats, front and rear air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.